I have the power of God. It feels good to be hearing this again, I'll tell you what. Hoo-wee! Excuse me. Oof. This is gonna be awkward, considering I haven't done a lawnmower run in a minute. Excuse me. Thank you. Give me my key. Give me my monserts. Because I only get so many of those. Excuse me. Thank you. Alright. Just want to clean up as best I can before you really get into it. You can tell I'm rusty with my mower. Please. Please. Thank you. Can we... There we go. Now we're doing it. Now we're cooking with grease. Chug, chug, chug. Chug, chug, chug. Boom. We got some good stuff. Now, most runs go here now, from what I remember. I'm going to take this a little carefully so we don't accidentally get the boy. Open all your doors. That is a very important detail. You should be opening your doors. Gotta be real careful. Bloop. Alright. We might as well just do everything while we're here. Screw if it means we wake up the dog. Sometimes you just gotta... Sometimes you just gotta take some chances. I have not practiced this jump at all that I'm about to do on mower. Oh, it's so much easier on mower. It should be static. Lovely. So we go down. 1, 2, 3. It is slightly different. Grab this. Come over here, grab this. Molto bene. In mower. Out mower. There we go. Ooh wee. Ooh. Well. That do be a little awkward, but we got there. I hope that's not showing up. Because I'm getting a bunch of Discord notifs. And normally I just mower right through here. Like right through here, but I've not been very confident in my ring collection skills as of late. So, we're going to be a little more careful. We're going to take the safe strat. As much as I don't normally want to. I don't think we woke up Big Dog. I know we woke up Little Dog. We didn't get blue card. Just fine. You don't need blue card for this run. Hello, little dog. Hear it. Right. Don't make silly mistakes. Just flomp right here. Fall. And you better be real careful going through here. Alright. Not yet. Show me the fist. Booyah, baby. It's a little awkward. Yeah. But so are 90% of my runs, so... Fall. Not opening the right side. Okay. That was bad. That was really bad. Over here. Grab this. Vavoom. Varoom. Come on. Get... Hurry, get in the way. I'm committing vehicular man-burger helper. Here we go. Man, I am not used to this route. Yep, okay, so now we go to the shell. I've got this spot memorized. We're gonna take a quick heal, just in case. I don't remember if there's any important last battles. Normally, no. I think we're good. So it's the garage, which then leads to... yeah, baby! I think I took a long way. No, I didn't. Everything must go. Nice. Show me the Dew of Mountains. Come on, get out of here. Time. That was rough. That was definitely my roughest run so far. But I also have not ran this, so that wasn't too bad for a first run. I think that was what, like a sub 9? Sub 9 for my first go? I know that main run has that down way faster. I think main run has it at like 5 minutes. And I'm sure someone's going to beat this run. But also, I just want to get a run out. I wanted to do this run so bad. Maybe I shouldn't do it while I'm sleep deprived at midnight. I'm not really that sleep deprived, but that was fun. That was a real fun run, I'll tell you what.